you see Lolo Nneka Chimezie, they go to set her up. The same work we should do for the same video we should make. Now they go still take set her up. They watch and go back and somewhere. Now who be more powerful? No be Nnamdi Kanu. So why you mention I'm like saying are two different people? No be Nnamdi Kanu be more powerful. Okay, you know, want turn them to family business. Will be the same thing will cause problem between Lolo and Simon Ekpa. No be the same thing where they do doing Simon Ekpa than they do now.
All lovers of freedom. My name is Nnamdi Kanu. I'm one of the lawyers to
stage.
And my friend here, Patrick Agazie, also one of the lawyers to Nnamdi Kanu. We are in Sokoto State, where we had extensive discussion with Nnamdi Kanu concerning his appeal and other matters. He has information and directives to all lovers of freedom. One is that from now henceforth, nobody should castigate the Directorate of State, otherwise known as the DOS. The DOS is his structure, his brainchild, and must be respected by all and sundry. He also directs that Avid, the Rising Sun, ambassadors of self-determination must be respected by all and sundry. He specifically mentioned the following persons: Dr. Sylvester Onya, Evans Nwankwo, Maxwell Dede, who are his very close associates and leaders and members of the bodies mentioned above. He strongly directs that nobody should castigate members of his family from now henceforth. Whoever attacks the DOS, Avid, Rising Sun, ambassadors of self-determination, Dr. Sylvester Onya, Evans Nwankwo, Maxwell Dede, or members of his family attacks Nnamdi Kanu personally, and such person will not be forgiven. Nnamdi Kanu equally directs that all must be at peace with each other, that this is a critical time for consolidation of all efforts to achieve the purpose of the struggle. Nnamdi Kanu also states that he acknowledges the commitments and efforts of all the other groups who are too numerous to be mentioned. He acknowledges all your efforts, he appreciates all your efforts, and asks that you all be focused and committed to the essence of the struggle. From now henceforth, anybody who comes to see Nnamdi Kanu is forbidden from making public broadcasts or discourse as to the outcome of their meetings. If he has a message, the message will be sent to whoever is directly affected. But for the purposes of making public statements, he has restricted it to his lawyers only, or a man powerful. He has also stated that nobody has ever paid money to see him from his inquiries, and that visiting him is not a money-making venture for anybody. Whoever wants to visit him should follow the established protocol of the Sokoto Correctional Facility, which is you bring your means of identification, your passport photograph, then you come to the Sokoto Correctional Center, where you'll be given a form to fill, and with that form, the correctional facility officers will screen you and give to him for his final approval. He says that it is false and unfounded that people collect money to facilitate visitations, and that we should ask whoever has made that allegation how much such a person paid to see him. Nnamdi Kanu expresses disappointment that those who are supposed to foster harmony are sowing seeds of discord, that such persons should desist from such acts as it is inimical to his stay in detention and inimical to the struggle. Anybody who comes to see him should, from now henceforth, cease making public broadcasts except you are his lawyer. He has directed that all must maintain decorum, must maintain unity of purpose, and must be focused on the purpose for which he is in detention. My friend Patrick Adazie will continue.
All right, thank you. And a quick one. In addition to the message already given, or the message is already given, MNK hereby directs that Lolo Nneka Chimezie ceases to make utterances about his person, about his detention, in general about his matter. MNK states that he gave no directions to her to make any public statement on his behalf. And MNK urges the public to discountenance the radio broadcast, press interview, and correspondences being issued by her. And again,
Mamsi,
it is unfounded that the family of Nnamdi Kanu and the special counsel, Lolo Nneka, has turned the visitation of MNK to be transactional. Personally, MNK has conducted an investigation and found that to be false, as being peddled by a lot of people out there. This is an avenue to debunk such an unfounded allegation, and the propounders, as he has directed, should seek psychiatric examination, because there is an established protocol for visitation, which is administrative. If you comply with the protocol, you will see him. If you do not comply with the protocol, you will not see him. Thank you.
Have you seen it? This sounds like a ploy to silence Lolo Nneka Chimezie and the people she's representing. It seems her presence is now causing them discomfort. Even see how they are standing where they are making the video. They look like hostages. They look, you see the way they are reading it, as if they are hostages. You sure say, you know, say these Fulani people strong. Maybe they go down compromise them now. That's the way they read. Check them, checking. I go see when they read something. So who be the person where they make the video? So they stand like people where they put gun for their head. Maybe the gun go deep behind the camera. So no now. Go come out. Come tell them waiting Nnamdi talk. So them too no go fit go. So if they go, they no suppose come out, come talk waiting the year be. All the kishine maybe. They want scam on again. All these lawyers, this is a job for family. You know, say Maxwell don't go there for work the other side. Now, all their this thing, they want to be the only access to Nnamdi Kanu. Which place then they put photo to go do this thing? All those things they feel that time as protocol. But if you want to go visit person for prison, you go just go there, give them your name. You don't need photo, you don't need all these things. They will just take down your name, do everything, call who you want to see. If the person say won't see you, fine. If you say no one see you, fine. You understand? No, they no mind these people. Oh. They are telling me, oh, it is only DOS. Which people been call me 9th of June 2021 and tell me say Nnamdi Kanu de Southern Cameroon? Which other people know if no be DOS? So which people can't give me difference? No be early morning 10th of June 2021. So the same DOS now, where the information of Nnamdi movement from leak. Now he want these people they take on for food. So bingo. Then they take on for food. So Lolo Nneka Chimezie, all the things where she they do before, no be abi. So now when she go, let somebody go and confirm it from Nnamdi first. You go, they go give your name. You go first send your picture. Go do it. If you go call the people where they want come, they work with. For Sokoto there now, that your photo now they go take will lay you for road, they go buy you, they go say na Nigerian government buy you in that local sense. Then go fin you see Lolo Nneka Chimezie, they go to set her up. The same work where she do for the same video where she dey make now they go still take set her up. They watch am go mark am somewhere. Now the same pattern now where they use. Go mark am. So now one come tell people wey no believe you wetin Nnamdi talk, and everything will have to be streamlined through you. Who be more powerful? No be Nnamdi Kanu. So why you dey mention am like saying na two different people? No be Nnamdi Kanu be more powerful. Okay, una wan turn am to family business wey be the same thing wey cause problem between una and Simon Ekpa. No be the same thing wey dem do during Simon Ekpa dem dey do now. All these people, no worry. Aka Ijele wetere the new contract. No worry with the waiting.